So in today's video we'll be unboxing Isomars Calligraphy dip pen set and I'll be reviewing it as well. So this is my first encounter with a dip pen set. I have been using calligraphy pen since a long time, but for the first time I'll be using the dip pen set. So let's see how it goes. So I received the packaging in a cardboard box of the same size. I removed that box and inside this I got something like this, and behind this they have mentioned all the products which are available from the brand called Isomars. They have a pen set, English pen set, Arabic pen set, wooden dip pen set, feather pens, and they have a range of ink pots as well. So I have already removed the cling wrap outside this box and I am opening it. So as you can see, there are two pens. One is the oblique pen and the other one is the straight pen, and overall 6 nibs are provided. Out of which the oblique one is not detachable and the straight pen is detachable. Ink pot is also provided from the same brand called Isomars. Now this is the first nib I have removed. It is a very fine nib which can be used for writing cursive calligraphy. Likewise, the second nib is a little wider than the first one. All the nibs are arranged in the ascending order. This is the broad nib, and the straight pen has the widest nib of all. Which can be used for writing black letters in Gothic fonts. The oblique pen is also useful for writing cursive calligraphy, but this is not the flexible nib, so you won't be able to use it for writing the modern calligraphy. They have also provided a small booklet called Fonts Library. Chancery fonts is given, and a brief tutorial on how to write the font is also provided. So now it's a time to review the pen and use it. So firstly I'll be using the straight pen with the wider nib which was already attached, and I always keep a tissue paper handy in case of spilling. So yeah, the pen looks quite smooth while writing, and the ink retention capacity is also, I can say it's good, because with one dip I can use it for 3 to 4 strokes. I can see a blotch of ink as I feel I have not removed the enough ink from the pen. Oh, again I did the same mistake of not removing the extra ink from the nib. So I started writing again. Yeah, now I'm able to write it quite nicely. So I'm wiping the nib and keeping it aside. So now if I want to change the nib, there is a small slot provided in the straight pen only. There's an interlock system kind of thing. So I just need to push it out with my finger. I'm just pushing it upwards and the nib will come out. So I'm locking another nib. Now let's come to the oblique nib holder. I actually did not found a reason to give an oblique nib because they've already provided a fine nib which we can use for cursive calligraphy. So I did not find any reason to use the oblique nib holder because it's not a flexible nib. And why two nibs for the same thickness? Because I can already write using a straight nib, a straight fine nib. So I am a little doubtful on that part. So okay guys, this was the unboxing and review video of Isomars Calligraphy pen. But I did like the pen, but I did not understand the purpose of giving two same fine nibs. If they would have given two detachable pens, so I would have agreed. So because we can use two pens simultaneously, but one pen is detachable and one is just a fine tip. So I'm a little hesitant on that part. Overall, the ink is good. The nibs ink capacity, ink holding capacity is good. So yes, I can definitely give it a try. So that's all for the today's video. Keep watching Color Palette. Bye bye. Thank you.